abandoned ship! Check the code, man! Over here!
You broke the rules. You went to the above world.
A man was drowning. I had to save him.
This obsession with humans has to stop.
I just want to know more about them. Ariel! Don't!
Poor child. I can help you. You can't live in that world unless you become a human yourself.
Is that even possible?
That's what I live for.
Something about you seems different. I can't quite figure it out.
She got legs, you idiot!
I don't know where, I don't know how, but I know something's starting right now. Watch and you'll see. Someday I'll be part of your
He's a human. You're a mermaid.
That doesn't make us enemies.